Welcome back to Intables, everyone. So I'm going to go over an update with you guys on SHIBA and AMC. I'm going to go over two things with you guys. I'm going to go over exactly which levels we are trying to hold above to make sure we do not have a continuation sell-off, and what exact indicators would give us confirmation on a continuation back up from here. And all I ask in return for all of this is you smash that like button and hit subscribe if you want to see more chart updates on potential breakouts that we mentioned throughout the week. So let's jump into this one. So the first one I'm going to go over with you guys here is AMC. I'm going to go over the 4 hour with you guys here so you guys can see what our overall momentum does look like. What exactly will give us confirmation to have that continuation on up from that major breakout that we did see previously. But I do want to mention before we do get started that we do alert penny stock and breakout alerts throughout the day. We mentioned RWOK on their FDA news going to extended hours, jumping up from $1.40 all the way up to $1.94 going to extended hours, over 30% on that breakout. And we also had a major breakout with EVAX yesterday from $15 going to extended hours all the way up to $50 going to extended hours, over 200% on that breakout. And we also mentioned FATBB today halted at $14, jumping all the way up to $24 on the day, over 50% on that breakout. So if you do want to see all of our breakout alerts of the day, go to instables.com in the description below, and you will never miss a breakout alert today again. So as you guys can see here on AMC, we had this major spike previously all the way up to about 72.50. Looking to see if we can continue on past that previous high. Now, I'm going to go over this with you guys. As you guys can see previously, we had the 200-moving average crossing above the 50 here. We had this continuation because we did have the 200-moving average holding above the 50 here. Again, the 200-moving average is the yellow line, and the 50-day moving average is the red. And we did continue on up. And as you guys can see, we did curl down here on the 200-moving average, dropping below our symmetric triangle that we did have to see if we can get a continuation. Sure enough, did continue on down as we did drop below that symmetric triangle. Now did have the 200-moving average dropping below the 50-moving average at that point in time, and we did recently have this bounce from $40 to $48 in the Intables room as we did have the 200-moving average crossing above the 50 here, and looking to see if we can hold this $48 to $58 level. Again, you guys can see here on the MACD, we had our decrease in buy pressure, giving us confirmation on that decrease in momentum, and sure enough, did come down from then. And as you guys can see, the 200-moving average did cross down below the 50. Now we are sitting with the 200-moving average still below the 50 here, but however, even though we are neutral today, we did not continue on up today. I do want to mention that we do still have the 200-moving average, looking to see if we can curl up here still. So again, AMC definitely still on the watch here to see if we can continue, but again, making sure we can hold this $35 level that we have been talking about is very key, or we will be testing this $30 level. And again, that $30 level is not something that we want to test, because if we do drop down below that $30 level, then we could have a continuation and possible gap down as we did previously have a gap up. But as far as a continuation, we are looking to see if we can get this 200-moving average to cross back above the 50 here on this $40 level. And if we can hold the 200-moving average above the 50 here on the $40 level, then we could be testing this $48 level that we did see previously. And as you guys can see, we got our buy pressure on that spike, looking to see if we can break above that previous buy pressure point that we have here to get that momentum. And again, to set that alert here, you go over the plus sign here, you click add alert, and again, this is on TradingView, and you could have it text you. Again, if you guys are not wanting to watch levels all the time and you guys are not watching the market, if you guys want to be notified on very key levels, I do like TradingView for that specific reason. But however, as far as that major breakout and possible squeeze, we do have our major momentum that we did have previously here on AMC, looking to see if we can break above that previous momentum to get that confirmation on that possible squeeze here. So again, setting both alerts here, making sure we do break above that spike that we did have and rejection over that $40 level, making sure we do get confirmation above that momentum, and again, to get that major squeeze and possible major breakout over that $58 level, we are looking for that momentum here above our previous momentum here on AMC. Now jumping into SHIBA here on the right side, as you guys can see, we do have the 200-moving average just crossing below the 50 here on the 4-hour chart. So looking to see if we can cross back above the 50-moving average here on SHIBA is exactly what we're looking for. Now, if we do continue on down past this level that we did have our continuation breakout from, then in my opinion, we could have a continuation sell-off here on SHIBA. Making sure we can hold this level is exactly key for us on SHIBA. I want to make sure we do go over SHIBA specifically for this reason, making sure we can hold over 0.00042999. And if we do drop down below 0.00040, in my opinion, we could have a continuation sell-off, as we did have, again, our doji candle exactly at that point, and we did have our continuation because of that. So again, these levels are very key for us, and as you guys can see, we do have our wicks to the downside as we are bouncing off of them because they are very key levels for us here on SHIBA. Again, SHIBA is not a stock. We do not necessarily have the 200-moving average consistently cross above and below. Sometimes on crypto, there's anything that can happen here. So again, just making sure we can hold above this level is very key for us here, as we did have our breakout point here on SHIBA at exactly about 35, I believe it was. As you guys can see, we could not hold the body above this 35 point, and looking to see if we can continue on past that. Did have our confirmation above this point. So going into tomorrow, making sure we get the 200-moving average to cross above the 50 here on AMC, and on SHIBA, making sure we can get the 200-moving average to cross back above the 50 here on the 4-hour chart. Making sure we do stay above this 0.00040 point is very key for us here on SHIBA. So again, with that said, if you want to see all of our daily breakout alerts of the day, go to instabulls.com in the description below, and you will never miss a breakout alert today again. And everybody that has been supporting the channel, all of you instabulls that have been coming over and supporting the channel, I appreciate every one of you guys as always. And if you do like this video, it does help others find it, and it does help the channel grow, and I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in the next video.